Welcome to the Data Scientist Podcast with Dr. Stylianos Kampakis. Dr. Kampakis is a data scientist, statistician, and blockchain expert with a mission to educate the public about the wonderful capabilities of technologies like AI, data science, and DLTs. These technologies have the potential to transform the world, the economy, and our lives. However, there is too much misinformation around tech, and so most people are just confused about what is true and what is not. Whether you are a CEO, an entrepreneur, or just an enthusiast, the Data Scientist Podcast helps you separate reality from hype.
Hi everyone, on today's episode, I want to talk about the very important topic of AI ethics. So, as some of you might know, I'm the CEO of the Tesseract Academy, and one of the topics that we're very interested in is AI ethics. So, AI ethics is something that I believe is going to be one of the new trends in AI and data science, and I think we're going to see something very similar with AI ethics to what we saw with GDPR in like 4 or 5 years ago or so. So what I mean by that is that I believe that AI ethics is going to be a legal regulation, and we'll see many companies having to undertake certain measures in order to be compliant with that regulation. So with GDPR, it was all about data privacy as well as control of one's own data. So with AI ethics, I think it's going to be around algorithmic transparency and accountability. So what this means is that if a company is utilizing AI or machine learning, the executives in that company, the stakeholders, they will need to be able to explain how decisions are being made and why they're being made in a particular fashion. So I'm not saying that the executives themselves will need to be able to provide that explanation, but I guess they'll be held accountable and there'll be some other department dealing with this type of regulation. So what is very interesting with AI ethics is that many of the techniques that could help do that, improve the transparency of AI and machine learning models, they're there. However, I do believe that one of the things which makes AI ethics very different to GDPR is that AI ethics is a much more technical topic. So what I mean by that is, with GDPR, handling data and ensuring that someone signs off, the rights to the data or whatever, is more of a legal than a technical matter. However, with AI ethics, being able to explain a model, being able to provide a transparent model and explainable model is a very, very, very technical topic, is really a technical issue. So this is one of the things where techniques like supply value explanations, like model distillation can help with. However, I do believe that most businesses, most organizations, most leaders, they're not really aware of them. They're not really aware of how they can use these techniques to really impact, to really become compliant with these upcoming regulations. That's one of the things we can help you with in the Tesseract Academy. We even have a framework called the AI Ethics Framework, which I'm more than happy to share with you if you want to know more about that subject. That being said, today's episode is a short one, and it's more about bringing awareness to the topic of AI ethics and to the fact that me personally, but also the Tesseract Academy, we have some tools at our disposal that can help you better understand how you can protect yourself against upcoming regulation, what measures you can undertake in order to make sure that any models you use are transparent and explainable, so that if any regulation comes out in the next couple of years, then you'll be more than ready for it. So once again, it's one of those cases where it's better to be prepared for something rather than just wait after the fact. That being said, I'd be more than happy to hear from you. Make sure to go to the datascientist.com. Feel free to use the contact form and drop me an email, or go to the Tesseract Academy's website and just reach out to me from there. I'll be more than happy to share the AI ethics framework we've developed, and also to hear about any concerns which you might have about AI ethics and how we can help you. So thank you, and we hope to see you again soon.
Thank you for listening. Make sure to visit thedatascientist.com for more content about data science, AI, and blockchain.